guys, to the best cooking channel in the whole world. Today, as you guys have seen, this is the softest bun in Uganda, and believe me, I've pretty much, it's the most mainstream soft bun you can find. Others are going to be brioche or something, but this is the softest bun I've seen in Uganda, and this is what you're going to do with it. First things first, we're going to need a nice tomato, which I'm going to cut, and we're also going to need half an onion. So I'll finish cutting this later. And so what you want to do is just cut like very thin slices. If you're a person like me, I like onions a lot, so you can probably use this size, but if you want, you can cut into smaller pieces, but this is the size I want. So we'll put that in our cup. Now the next step is going to be magic. So as you can see right now, we have cracked two eggs into onions. Now what you're going to do is just add in just 2 pinches of salt. So you're going to add in 1 and 2 pinches of salt. Is beating the eggs to oblivion, and we'll have to whip this. I wish I had used my hand mixer. It can beat this like I think like 30 seconds. So now to your non-stick frying pan, you can add the egg. So make sure the heat is not as much, because the egg will just instead burn. Are you saying that thing? It has refused to come out. Yes. Roll around the egg so that it like fits, and let this go on a slow cook so that it is moist. If it's high heat, it will just be dry. So as you can see right now, I've flipped it, but it's not flat on the other side, and it's folded. It was by mistake, guys, it was by mistake, but that is going to show that the middle part is very moist. So now you remember at the beginning of the video how I poked this bun to just show how soft it is? As in, I'm even just like holding it just a little bit, but it's so right now what you're going to do is just cut this open. Like, it's even too hard to cut because it's too soft, like it's too soft. So that is how it looks like on the inside. Sneak peek on our egg. You can see how nice it looks. So it's about the time that we place our nice egg onto the softest bun in Kampala. And to do that, we can try to unwrap. Oh, it has just broken. We'll cut some of this and place on some of this. Let's put our nice. We can put them in a row if you want. We may just wrap the sandwich. So next thing is wrapping it up. Oh, these things are falling, but I guess they'll still fall anyway. And that is it. We are going to cut this. Yeah, look at that. Look at, so that is what we have. So guys, it's about time to test. Picky punky, which is the biggest piece. So this is what I'm going to test. I hope it can focus well. So I always tell people that sweet and salty is one of the best combinations, but they're always like, nah, that is weird. But this sandwich just does that. So, and we have been trying this thing for ages. I mean, I can even call this 100-year recipe. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video so that it's recommended to as many people in the world as possible. I remain the videographer, the editor, and the person who cooked this meal. See you guys, love you all, and blah blah.